with us at Torpedopot, it's all natural. It's better than organic. We don't even like to use the word organic. Organic is the wrong word because organic means that you have to meet federal specifications before you use the soil. It has to meet certain specifications for heavy metals, certain specifications for specific chemicals. Forget about all that. What we do is that we use the biotic environment to grow your food. So we use the plant itself. I want to show you something. Come here. I want you to take a look at the soil that's in a Torpedopot. You see that dense root system that's inside of there from all that celery that's growing? This is a living environment. And this living environment is literally growing your food. And that's what we do. We use and we support the environment that's allowing your food to grow. And it's been doing a great job. So that's why we're so successful.